called HighOh, and it's a 3-in-1 lash liner. And like, honey, I'm already loving this little cute pink packaging. I've already opened it, but I have not tried the product, so I'm gonna try it with y'all. That's why I don't have my eyelashes. Love it right off back. Okay, love it, love it, love it. Okay, like I said, I opened this, but I didn't like use it. Okay, I love this packaging. Look at this. This is so pretty. It's like a metallic, gold metallic. That is so pretty, like a mirror effect. So what we got here? So the company is cruelty free, vegan free. Love it. Waterproof, smudge proof. Save thousands of dollars. Save time. Eyelash adhesive, eyeliner, lash enhancer. So I really like this. Really pretty packaging. And also there is going to be a code below, and I might put it on the screen, so y'all stay tuned for that if you guys like this and you want to, you know, try it out. And then it has a lash liner holder. I guess you cut along the dotted line that's going around the box. And then you got a lash liner holder. So that's really cute and really neat and everything, y'all. Oh, and I love this that little story on the back here. I'm gonna read it to y'all, that cute story. So we have clear, which is transparent, and then we have black, which if you know you want that wing eyeliner effect or whatever, but we're gonna do the black one. So let's see. But I'm gonna open up both, y'all. It's on here pretty tight. I love it. I love it already, y'all, because the top is on. It's very secure, very tight. And it comes off easy too. But I like this. Look at that. That's pretty, honey. That's literally a pen. You can work magic with that. But I really like that the top is really secure and really tight, because when I put it in my makeup bag with all the other lash pens, and you open it up in the pen, the lash pen top is off, and it's just money going down the drain. But this is really secure, so I like that. I like that. But today we're gonna be using the black one, okay? We're gonna be using the black one. But I'm gonna put them on my hand for y'all first. Once again, the top is secure and very tight. I'm gonna put it on my hand so you know you can see what we're working with, so y'all can see and I can see. Okay. See how they look. Okay. I'm gonna let it dry. Obviously, I said I was gonna use the black one, so that's what we're gonna do, because when you have a lashes on, we're looking a little bald. As y'all can see, it's really drying pretty quick. I like that. Let's go ahead.
See if I still can do the wing eye. Oh, I put myself in eye, but that's alright. So we're gonna stick it on because it does dry pretty fast, which I love. Love, love, love. And just like that, you got lashes. You got lashes, honey. You got lashes. And these are pre-used lashes. I bought these one time and I took them off the same freaking day because, yeah. But anyways, these lashes are from my site, so go check that out as well. Anyways, I freaking love it. Like right off the back, I can tell it's really good, and it's very, you know, you have to press them other pens, you know, to get the liquid out. But this liquid comes out pretty easy, which I freaking love. I mean, there's nothing bad I can say about it. It sticks really good, really well. I love it. Y'all see I put it on real easy, real fast. But this is the how it looks on my hand, the transparent. You really can't see anything. I mean, you know something right there with it, as y'all can see.
I like it. I love it. So I really like this. Like I said, there will be a code below in the description box if you guys want to purchase these cute eyeliner pens, 3-in-1. Okay, honey, and you cannot go wrong with this.